Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change profile picture in PayPal. To change your profile picture in PayPal application, first of all, open the PayPal app on your device and log into your account. After signing into your PayPal account, click on your profile icon at the top right corner from the home page. Now click on Contact Info. Under Contact Info, tap the pencil button underneath your avatar or the human icon at the top, and then you can take a new photo and apply it as your profile picture by tapping on Take New Photo and take a picture from your device's camera. If you want to upload an existing photo of yourself, click on Choose Existing Photo. Now this will take you to your camera roll. Go ahead and choose a picture you'd like to add as your profile picture. Adjust the picture within the frame and click on Choose. Soon after you do that, the picture will then be uploaded on your profile. That's how you easily update or change your profile picture in PayPal account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.